Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Ephesians chapter 4 verses 2. Hello beautiful family. Warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. I trust you're doing so well and thank you so much for coming back. So today on the menu, fam, we have this one pot fried rice recipe that is going to be very hard for anyone to resist. It is so delicious, but the most fun part is so easy to make. So please be sure to stay tuned while we make this together because it has to be present on that holiday spread. For all kinds of occasion, this is a win-win. Please stay tuned while we do this together. A quick tour of our ingredients. Here I have 1 kilo of Jasmine rice. You can use basmati rice or long grain rice, whatever rice that you prefer, please use that. And I have here some chicken and turkey mixed together, and I have a teaspoon of garlic paste, tablespoon of ginger paste, and this is my all natural homemade seasoning. I have the link here. I will link it right here for you. I have a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, some coconut oil, and I have lots of vegetables that I've diced. I'll list each and every one down below in the description box. They make the dish super beautiful. So lovely. We have the salt to taste, and of course there will be some seasoning for the fried rice, which I will show you later. Now time for our bed to get marinated. I'm using my all natural spice blend and my ginger and garlic blend and some curry and salt. That is all, and it's very important that you marinate it well because we're going to use the juices that is going to come out of this to basically cook our rice. That is what makes this rice super special. Be sure to really mix well and make the spices feel this bird. Let them know that yes, they are there for them. Now that the bird has been marinated very well, I'll go ahead and use my work pan. Yes, we're going to use our work pan because it makes everything so easy. And all the bird goes in right now, and I'll add a bit of chopped onions. Family, you better believe that this turkey and chicken has their own amount of juices and it's incredible. The only water that I used was about 3 tablespoons of it. I just rinsed the bowl off, and better believe they are producing their own juices like crazy. You can see that for yourself. You just have to always put it on a low medium heat and allow it to slowly release their own juices. About 20 minutes into it, you will begin to see signs and wonders. Please do not add any more water because this is what you will need to make your fried rice extraordinary. Everyone who eats this fried rice is going to be like, this is different. And there you have it. For about 25 minutes now, they have beautifully released their own juices, and that is what we were looking for. And they have also been cooked to perfection. I'll now go ahead and take them out and allow it to cool down completely, and I will be air frying this the most healthiest way we should find. Now just have a look at that. It looks super tender and so delicious, and the aroma, my goodness, so amazing. Oh, it's so good. So right now this is the stock that we have been looking for all this while. Okay, this is the magic. So for us to get the rice popping in color, I also go ahead and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and while I want that to boil for about 2 minutes, I'll then take that opportunity to wash my rice. Practice is very important for you to get that fluffy and singled out rice, just like the results that you will see on your screens very soon. you get a crystal clear water like this, it certainly means that the rice is ready to join the stock. That beautiful stock. Now look at that. It smells so amazing. It looks even better, and trust me, it tastes so good. So we put everything together, give it a mix, and here too it is important not to add any water at all. This stock right here is going to do all the wonders that you need. It is going to cook the rice to perfection. Now I'll add my coconut oil. I just used 1 tablespoon. Use vegetable cooking oil or any type of oil that is available, okay? It will work. And I'll also add a teaspoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of my Maggie seasoning. I'll add a teaspoon of thick oyster sauce as well. Please be mindful of the amount of seasoning that you'll be using, because too much of it is going to totally ruin the taste of your rice. As you already know, we cook this rice with just the stock from the chicken and the turkey, okay? So you just have to be very careful with that, okay? So right now I'll just go ahead and add just this amount of water. Is just about 4 tablespoons. That is all that I will add, and then cover it. Allow all the water that is in the rice to evaporate, and once that is done, I'll go ahead and give it a stir. This is the time that I will introduce all the vegetables. For the vegetables, please do not limit yourself. You can use any vegetables of choice. These are the ones that I love, and they look absolutely beautiful, doesn't it? So right now I'll go ahead and add everything and give it a good stir. So as you know, the vegetables also contain some amount of water, so I'll not go ahead and add any water here at all. I'll just allow everything to cook well together, okay? And for the sake of the veggies, I'll also add a teaspoon of the Maggie seasoning. That is all. So everything has been well combined. I will drop the heat of the rice by covering it with, I normally use baking paper, but I did not have any in the house. Always have some baking paper in the house, but this was very random. It was shocking to me. So I just used my kitchen napkin, and yes, it worked very well. This is what my grandma normally used. So yes, I remembered and I used it. Worked perfect. Just 12 minutes later, it's looking amazing, but I felt like it needed extra 5 minutes for it to get really done. So I went ahead and stir it, making sure that it's not burned in the bottom, and cover it once again for an extra 5 minutes. Well, I went ahead to air fry the chicken and the turkey. I know it's a one pot dish, but I really wanted my golden caramelized turkey. That is why I did not add everything in the rice. Other than that, it's just perfect, super delicious, and 5 minutes later, woohoo! Our one pot fried rice is ready. That is left is for us to dish it out and put it on our table. We're going to spread it out and enjoy. Just look at that rice. Love this fried rice recipe because it's so simple to make. And one important thing, if you've noticed that it is not screaming oil. It looks super healthy, and my most favorite part is the canzo that comes with it. Who would not love this? There you have, family, we paired it with our Ghana salad and some shito to go with it. Such a perfect combo. I have recipes of each of them, and I will link it right here and down below in the description box as well. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right to the end. Please be sure to give me a like. It really helps the channel to grow. And if this is your first time here, hello. My name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.